Asalaamu calaykum saaxiibayaal soo dhowaada maanta halkan waxaan idinkula wadaagi doonaa 3 YouTube channel oo aad ka baran kartid Englishka si fiican.
Hi everybody, welcome to uuqaalkan. I'm Adam. In today's video, I want to give you some expressions that you will probably come across or hear or even use when you're starting in the business world, like when you're starting a new job or you're starting your own business, hiring employees and so on. So most of these expressions come from that situation, from that context, okay? So we're going to start with get up to speed. So when you join
Today, I have prepared a lesson to help you with your spelling. Now, I love English, obviously. I've called myself English with Lucy, but I have to admit, spelling is really frustrating, even for native speakers, for proficient learners, for lots of people. Unlike with some other languages, it isn't always possible to predict how to spell an English word based on how it sounds. And vice versa. You can't always predict how to pronounce an English word based on how it's spelled or written. However, I do have some good news for you. English spelling does have a number of rules, and although there are always exceptions, the majority of words do follow these patterns. I know that many of us have predictive text and spell checkers that highlight spelling errors and can help prevent embarrassing mistakes, but it is still worth dedicating a little bit of time to learning some spelling rules. So I have put together 5 super helpful tips that will allow you to improve your spelling in no time at all. You will notice a great improvement in your spelling. Hello lovely students, and welcome back to English with Lucy. Today's video is
welcome to yet another English lesson to level up your English speaking skills. I'm your trainer Naisha, and today we are going to talk about questions. Now, questions play an important role in a
Welcome back, language enthusiasts, to one more episode of Word Wave. I am your 11th episode. Hanker. It sounds a bit like...
Hello and welcome, my lovely learners. I'm Christine, your trainer, and today I've got this really